Hello, I would like to show you how to replace and test the valves of a rotocube. The tools we need here: hex keys, Allen keys, 2 mm, 3 and 4 to open the rotocube. So let's start. We take the 2 mm Allen key and open the cover. Make sure not to lose any small parts. There are 12 screws in total, and 3 countersink screws. Now we can open the cover. Next, we take off the left side wall. We need a 3 mm Allen key to do this. Now, here the 3 valves of the rotocube are accessible. The solvent dosing valve, plus here the 2 wash valves. Let's replace the dosing valve. First, we disconnect the 6 mm pneumatic hose. These are quick connect fittings, so you just press the ring and pull out the hose. Then we can remove the valve. The valve itself is fixed using 2 screws. We have to use a 4 mm Allen key. Now we have the cover of the valve actuator, and now let's take out the plunger and piston.